Why do most people fail?
Because they wait.
The video you just watched was created using Grok AI for free, and all thanks to AetherWave Studio.
And in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can use this platform to still create with Grok AI for free. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you the bonus way on how you can use this platform to create unlimited videos using Grok AI. Guys, if you're excited, let's go. So the moment you log into this platform, this is what the platform looks like, okay? Remember, you have to log in, like sign up. The moment you sign up, you log in. So next, you need to click here and log in. The moment you log in, you'll be required to input your email. Show you how to use Grok AI to create using this platform. Once you sign up and you log in, you'll be given a free credit. Look at, I have free credit of 125 free credit. Do you understand? Now, that means every sign up gives you 100 free credits as welcome. Then when you log in again, it gives you 25 credits as bonus. Do you understand? Now, use this and test the platform. If you love what you are going to be seeing, you can decide to upscale, yes, to their paid version and start creating. Because honestly, I love the output on this platform. It's amazing. So if you're looking at it, this is my desktop size because I've adjusted it to desktop size. Do you understand? So that's the reason why you can see all this full screen. Now, if you don't change it to desktop size, you'll be missing some vital part of the interface, okay? So this is what the interface looks like. And if you come here, you see that you have video, image, music. That means this platform creates everything all in one platform. So for us, I want to show you how you can use this platform and use Grok Imagine to create your video. So let's go. So here you're going to come here and select your video and wait for it to load. Good, we are already in the interface here. So now the video says describe the scene. This is one. So if you can have your time, you can read this. Describe motion mode, subject, slow. Now listen, the structure of your prompt matters a lot. If you give a bad prompt, you're going to have a bad output. Do you understand? So your prompt must be detailed enough and very realistic, okay? So this is it. I'm trying to give you an example, okay? That gives the model this camera angle now gives the model camera movement plus subject plus atmosphere, all the levers in it. Do you understand? So you can click next, pick a video model. Do you want text to video? So this platform has text to video models. Start from the prompt alone. Image to video models, animate a still you image to video models, animate a still you upload. Grok Imagine is fast and cheap. Sora, Veil, and Kling Master are top tier quality. Click the card to browse all options. So, I mean, you can do all of this in your own free time and got it. Okay, so now we want to generate our video. All right, now I have my own prompt that I copied using ChatGPT just for me to show you that this platform gives you access to Grok Imagine. So you can see AI model, text to video, fast generation, Grok Imagine. So you can decide to click it open and to have access, like you will see other models, and you see what they are charging per generation. This is 2 to 4 credits per second. So you are being charged 2 to 4 credits per second. That is to say, per second that you generate. Do you understand? So we have Sedans here. Wow, Sedans is here, guys. Hello with AI is here. Wow, hello is high. So you can look for other ones. Clean 2.6 is here. Oh wow. And all these ones are literally free. Then this other one, View, is not free. This is Pro. This one is Pro. Wow. Sora 2 Standard is here. Beautiful. Sedans is here and it's free. You see, guys, awesome. This is beautiful. So for us, I want to use Grok Imagine. All right. So now the mode is normal. Okay, I want normal. Don't change it to anything. All right. So here I'm going to paste my prompt that I copied using ChatGPT. I have my prompt already, and I'm going to paste it here. Now this prompt carries everything, including my voiceover. Now I want to show you two style, voiceover and the dialogue part of the, okay, that's the audio. it has a voiceover. Do you understand? So I've copied everything. It has the animation prompt, it has the image generation prompt. So I think I'm good to go. So look at these three dots so you can slide and see the next thing to do. So these three dots on top of here, so just slide your, exactly, when you slide, you enter into your settings where you have, I mean, if you have an image to upload, you can click here. It's optional, like you see. So if for me, I don't, for this video, I don't have any image, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed. So here I have 16 by 9, and I can reduce this to 480 resolution so that my cost will be less. Okay, now I have 6 seconds. 6 seconds video is the minimum. Okay, so let's see what we are going to generate from here. So once you are done with all the settings, okay, hit this generate.
Some people wait, others build. Which one are you?
Beautiful. Guys, this is so sweet. That is a voiceover and I love it. So you're cool with it, go ahead and download it. Perfect. So this is it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. For our dialogue scene, repeat the same thing. Copy your prompt, take it to there, then hit generate.
Why do most people fail?
Because they wait.
So guys, watch me as I create my AI influencer to speak, just like what you heard in the intro of this video. So guys, like I said, go ahead and upload your image. I'm going to upload image. I already generated my image, upload it, and it's here. That is the image reference. Beautiful. So the resolution, I'm going to reduce this to 48. You know why I do that? So that to reduce my credit. Okay, so I'm going to add my prompt. I'm going to add my prompt here. You need to slide. I copied my prompt using ChatGPT. Okay, and this is Grok Imagine. This is my image and the resolution is normal. Okay, resolution, the dimension, the aspect ratio is normal. Okay, awesome. So we are good to go, right? Okay, let's generate now. So we are going to swipe. Then this is the submission. Let's see if it's going to give me what I'm looking for.
The video you just watched was created using Grok AI.
Their plans looks like, okay, you have the credits and subscriptions, power your creativity here, right? So for now I am on free plan. Okay, so if you purchase it now, you have 20% bonus credit. So this is their 500 credit, $4. So this is I mean, if you ask me, it's quite friendly, no? Then we have 1,000 credits, we have $9 for $9. We have 2,000 credits, $19. We have 4,000 credits, $34. We have 79 credits, $79, 8,000 credits. The bonus part, just like I promised in the beginning of this video, is please have up to 3 different emails. Okay, since you already have like 100 free credits given to you, what you need to do is just have multiple email accounts for your AI platforms, like all the platforms you'll be using. You have to have different email platforms, okay, so that you can easily switch your emails, log out, log into another email to keep generating unlimited. Guys, let me know if you'll be trying this method out in the comment section. If you want to start a Faceless channel and you are still struggling with what kind of niche you are to start with, okay, my next video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on. It's a particular niche that is trending currently right now. It's not yet saturated. So I'll be making a tutorial video on how you can start that kind of channel, grow it very fast, and then monetize it very fast. So guys, if you've not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when the video is uploaded. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.